Scrapy CrawlSpider for Ajax content. I am attempting to crawl a site for news articles. My start_URL contains 1. Links to each article at this URL, and 2. A more button that makes an Ajax call that dynamically loads more articles within the same start_URL at this URL. A parameter to the Ajax call is page, which is incremented each time the more button is clicked. For example, clicking more once will load an additional n articles and update the page parameter in the more button on-click event, so that next time more is clicked, page 2 of articles will be loaded, assuming page 0 was loaded initially, and page 1 was loaded on the first click. For each page I would like to scrape the contents of each article using rules, but I do not know how many pages there are and I do not want to choose some arbitrary example 10k. I can't seem to figure out how to set this up. From this question, Scrapy crawl URLs in order, I have tried to create a URL list of potential URLs, but I can't determine how and where to send a new URL from the pool after parsing the previous URL and ensuring it contains news links for a CrawlSpider. My rules send responses to a parse_items callback, where the article contents are parsed. Is there a way to observe the contents of the links page, similar to the base spider example, before applying rules and calling parse_items so that I may know when to stop crawling? Simplified code, I removed several of the fields I'm parsing for clarity.
CrawlSpider may be too limited for your purposes here. If you need a lot of logic, you are usually better off inheriting from Spider. Scrapy provides CrawlSpider exception that can be raised when you need to stop parsing under certain conditions. The page you are crawling returns a message: there are no focus articles on your stocks. When you exceed maximum page, you can check for this message and stop iteration when this message occurs. In your case, you can go with something like this.